All right, guys, we're back in here. As I said, I had a few pans I got to do. When you put them in upside down. So that way everything dries out properly. You don't get the little splotchy looks. And you have the infamous 8-pie cornbread pan. These, if you something you're ever going to use, I recommend that you season them 8 to 10 times before you actually use it. Be sure you use Pam something in these before you start really trying to use one, because they love to stick everything into it. These are great for melting butter, 1 egg, little number 3 ounce sludge. Here's the VSR that's going in. You can see it has not flash rusted at all since we oiled it and got it in. And guys, if like guys, gals, whatever, if you're doing this and you live somewhere in the sticks where you're on propane or something like that, do as many as you can all at once. It saves you gas. And this one may not make it. I see other people stack them. I do not like stacking my pans. It gives you a chance for a ring or some kind of heat mark on top of another pan that you're going to have to try to correct. As I said, guys, that VSR is a workhorse. This is the one I use frequently. You can see it's a beautiful pan. Nothing sticks to it. It's super smooth. It's a great pan. So got it in right now. It's about 45 minutes from now, we'll let them cool and then re-season them again and throw them back in. I'll show you that one, then we'll probably do the last one. So see y'all here soon. Don't worry about it if you get lint from your paper towel on there. All you have to do to get the lint off is take your towel that you use all the time and just dust it off. Don't worry about everybody telling you that, oh, you have to use a lint-free towel. No, use a paper towel. They're cheaper. There's less washing and anything else. It just makes it easier. Look. No lint. That's it. Put them back in. All right, everyone, we're back. Final seasoning's done on the cast iron. Added a video in there on how to put the oil on, take the oil off. So now we'll get you in here and take a look at it. If they don't come out perfect 100%, got little splotches here and there, it's fine. When you cook on it, get it really going, get some bacon cooked in it, that's when you'll really get your nonstick surface and also get the uniformity that you really, really want. So I'm just gonna get you in here and take a look at a few. They're still a little warm. Okay, they're a little more than a little warm. There's your little pie one, your cornbread one. Little 3-notch lodge. Big Wagner. This one right here, it's a troubled skillet anyways. It's really pitted. It had a ton of rust on it when I got it. I'm really surprised it came out as good as it did. This is your Birmingham stove and range. You can still see some burn marks in it from where it was overheated before, but you can tell it still sets flat. This is another Wagner that is really burnt up. The pits in it, kind of a lot harder to see than they were, but it was really, really bad prior. This had more rust on it than that big lodge skillet I had. This is the same way. It's really pitted. The three Wagners I have on this, that I got out of this, they're just going to be throw down skillets to cook on a campfire, do whatever. Nothing major we're ever going to do with those. They're not going to be in-house everyday use skillets. But you know, paid next to nothing for them and got a good deal. So if you have any questions on how to do these, you know, put it down in the box. I'll answer everything I can. There's always some kind of question here and there. It's all trial and error and doing it what way it works best for you. So guys, remember, everything's about family, and we will see you guys next time.